Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the reboot issues and phone dead issues in the Poco X3 Pro device after the software updates. Yes friends, in the Poco X3 Pro device is this kind of unique problem which is happening in this device. So whenever you try to update to the latest update, so the phone experiences this kind of reboot issues, or maybe sometimes even phone can actually go dead as well. So in my case, what has happened is that for the first I think 3 to 4 hours the phone started to reboot continuously. And after that I did follow one simple method and which fixed all the issues in my Poco X3 Pro after the MIUI 13 update. So this might be useful for other users as well who are actually experiencing similar kind of problems. And these are the videos which I did upload before. You can see reboot problem, and recently I'm getting so many comments as well. So what happened to my Poco X3 Pro device? Is the reboot issue fixed or not? If it is fixed, how did I fix this issue? So this trick, I'm not sure it will work for 100% or not, but you can just give it a try. So first thing is that, so from the time of start to reboot, you will only have 1 or 2 minutes of time. So in the 2 minutes, what you need to do is that you need to install the latest security application APK from the browser. So in my case, I did go to the straightaway Chrome browser and I downloaded this security APK from this website, APK Mirror or any other website. Try to download that APK and try to install before the phone reboots. Yes, so that is the only thing which I did in my case. So after that installation of the new APK of the security application, then the problem got solved. So another thing might be, maybe if you want, you can go to the system apps and you can actually update manually. If you cannot find any kind of latest version, then try to go to the browser and try to install manually. So after that, I did not experience any kind of reboot issues in my Poco X3 Pro device. I've been using this device as well for the past, I think, close to 2 weeks. 2 weeks of time till now, there's no problem with the reboot issues again. I did not experience in my Poco X3 Pro device. So very soon I'm trying to plan to apply for any kind of exchange offer with other smartphones in a good deal if I can actually find. So I'm not sure friends when this phone will go completely dead. And even if I did go to the service center as well, and they did ask me that this problem should happen like in front of them. I did try to record the video and I showed them, but this did mention that the problem might be fixed right now. So they have suggested me come back again later on when the problem happens again. So that's something to be noted. So this is how I did fix this kind of issue, friends, in my Poco X3 Pro device. And after that, I did not experience any kind of major problems again happening in my Poco X3 Pro smartphone. After that, gaming was completely alright in my device. Nothing much major problems regarding the gameplay issues. You can clearly see how is the gameplay going on, and very smooth in the Poco X3 Pro device. But definitely, I will recommend you to go to the service center whenever you face these issues. That's the best thing you can actually do here. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. In this way you can actually fix the reboot issues in the Poco X3 Pro device by installing the latest APK of the security application in the Poco X3 Pro device. You do have only 1 minute of time. In that 1 minute you need to install before the phone actually reboots. So meanwhile, signing off friends, until next time for more updates. Let me know in the comment section below, did the problem fixed for you or not? So which is a reboot issue which got fixed or not, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, until next time for more updates, and bye.